Well, I still have a few BBs here. It's recyclable. It falls smoothly on the towel. As it goes, the BB's velocity will pass through behind the towel, the soft towel, and it will drop here. So I can still use the BBs. Hello! Sorry if I'm a cheapskate, but I have 4 kids to feed, so that's why I have to recycle them. So I'm gonna do a full burst on all of these babies. And I think I have maybe 30 or 50 BBs in my mag. Let's see if I can still do a speed shoot. The aiming quite difficult, especially if you have gloves on, and you have vest. That's my last one. I think I empty my bag.
Invitation daw na nagawa. Invitation.
Kung kami nagawa.
Ngayon ba po